happy holidays. Welcome back. For new people here, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you're gonna like this video. And for everybody else who's been subscribed and following me, I appreciate you. Thanks for all the love, the comments, and the likes. Continue to share my videos. Continue to ask me questions. I honestly do not mind. My job is to pass the information on to you. And if you need any clarity, I'm here to do that. Sometimes I don't always see your comments right away. I might see them like 4 hours later, but I try my best to respond. But without further ado, let's get into it. Now, this is the Pro Pony by Organique, and this is Body Wave in 32 inches. It has a very silky texture, and this is the color 2. And I am 5'4.5", and it comes almost a little bit past my waistline. Yeah. It has about 1 comb inside. So what I did was I slicked my hair into a ponytail using, hold on, here it is. Using This Is New. This is new. I got this from my local beauty supply and I am absolutely loving this. Like, now I want to try everything on this line. I mean, I've already been using Creme Nature, but this is Creme Nature, the Butter Blend and Flaxseed. And it's for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, and that is my hair. I have coily hair. So it says double duty, and it elongates and defines jellies. And when I tell you this thing go on like not like butter, not like Vaseline, like what's slicker than that? That's how good this thing on. The shine, as you can see, I didn't even use this really today. I think I did it 2 days ago. I was wearing a low bun, then I was wearing a high bun, and I didn't keep adding more product. What I did was use a spray bottle, and I just refreshed it. But when I first applied it, I had just washed my hair, and I parted it in 4. And then I took each 4, I combed through it, like, detangling, and then I took about I'm not going to say a quarter size, a good enough size, not a whole bunch, but a good enough size in the middle of my hand, and then I went down each from the root all the way down to the tip, and made sure each strand was coated, and I did that in all 4 sections, and then I brushed it up into a top bun, and then the next day I just sprayed it with some water, and it snapped right back, and I put it in a low bun, and then today I just like, let me put a ponytail in. So I slicked my hair back up. I just wet it with a spray bottle of water, and then I put a braid, 1 braid, and I wrapped this ponytail around my braid. Put this down. I wrapped this ponytail around my braid. I probably pinned, like, first comb in here, wrapped it a little bit, pinned it, wrapped it a little bit, pinned it. Then I took the rest of it and wrapped it around, and then it has that little piece that it leaves out to wrap around your base, and I did that, and then I pinned it. So my braid is actually floating in the middle of this, and you can't tell. You can't tell. I feel very secure, and I'm loving it. Like, look how well it blends. Now I have 3C/4A hair. So yes, very much coily. And let me show you the tag. Hold on. Here we go. This is the tag. This is what it looks like. Should you ever go to your local beauty supply or go on Amazon or any of these hair websites, I'll leave a link. So Body Wave, let me focus it. Yeah. So Body Wave, 32 inches, number 2. And this is the Shake and Go brand, and this Organique Pony Pro. Now, I've used this ponytail before. I have other videos. You can check those out. Look at my playlist and tell me what you think. So I definitely used this brand before, and I do like it. So you tell me what you guys think. It is 5 stars for me. Like, I'm always going to have one of these in my hair container just in case for emergencies. And it doesn't irritate me. It's so soft to touch. Let me comb through it or brush through it. I'll comb through it. Comb through it with the wide tooth. Start at the tips. Work your way up. I wasn't trying to disturb it too much. And there we have it. I put mine to the side. I like a side ponytail. if you can't tell. But let me know if you want to see a back ponytail, or, you know, kind of in the center, if you want to put some scrunchies on it. Let me know what you want me to do. You want me to do a little design on the base? But I'm feeling this. Like, this might be a holiday hairstyle. How many more days until Christmas? So check out my playlist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out some of my vlogs. Thank you. Bye.